Hi friends, welcome to the E for Engineer. Today we will learn very good project that is RFID based door authentication system. For this simple project just we need a Arduino Uno board and RFID RC522 module and SG90 servo motor and LEDs like one green LED, one red LED and one buzzer and LCD module and breadboard and some connecting wires. Now connect all the components as per the circuit diagram. Please see the circuit diagram and connect as per the circuit diagram only. After connecting all the components as per the circuit diagram, please download code through the given below link in the video description. Now just open your downloaded program with the help of Arduino IDE. In this simple program, I will explain the important lines. Now just see here in this include section, I included all the libraries. Now just see here RFID tag library and everything here, SPI library and liquid crystal LCD library and servo motor library and this library also for the music melodies. After this, now just see here I assigned all the pin descriptions like servo motor pin and red LED, green LED pins and everything. Just pin assignment is here. After this, now just go through this. Here it is a LCD module interface FI to A0. Here in this is the very most important thing. Here we are giving this RFID tag unique ID. You have to first of all read this unique ID through some example code. Now just find this example code. Here in this file section you have to go to the examples. In these examples you have to find this MF RC522. Now just here you have to go like this. After this you have to go through this dump information. Here go to this program. Before going to this project you have to upload your code to the Arduino and after that you have to read RFID tag, your RFID tag unique ID. Now save your unique ID and paste that unique ID to here. Like this you have to paste your RFID tag unique ID. Now you are saving this RFID tag unique ID in this my RFID tag variable. After this here everything in this below program here is nothing but just conditions like whenever our reading RFID tag is matched with the already saved RFID tag and after this some conditions will happen like our servo motor will open or otherwise our door system like unlock, everything will happen like red LED will blow up or green LED will glow up, like that some conditions I given. I will show in the demo section. This is a very simple program, we will understand everything. Now after successfully understanding, now just you have to upload your program with the help of this button. Now just upload your program. After successfully uploading the code, now just see here. Now I will explain the everything here. Here it is I already shown you. Here this is a RFID reader and here these things like this is a keychain type RFID tag and here it is this is also a card type RFID tag. Now just see here in this LCD screen it is showing that put your card and after this it is our Arduino board and it is our buzzer and here two LEDs are there, this red LED and green LED and here it is a servo motor. Now our program is nothing but I already explained that whenever this RFID tag unique ID number is matched to the which is already given unique ID number in our program and this buzzer melody will come and after that our green LED will blink and here LCD screen what is the text we already given in the program it will show here and this is also it is a door locking system nowadays and everywhere we are using these servo motors or stepper motors to unlock the door or to lock the door, so that's why I used this servo motor here. Now just observe the output. Whenever just you have to put like this, whenever you put your card here, after that it will read the unique ID of here, it will show in this LCD screen also. Just see here unique ID is printed. After that just see here this green LED is on and this LCD screen welcome to electronics for engineers also showing. Now our door is open. It is waiting for the 10 more seconds. After that it is closed. Like that our thing will operate. It is very simple. And if you give the unauthorized card this identification number not given in the program, so that's why I written like this. Just observe the outputs. Now just unique ID came and after that this buzzer sounds come, warning symbol come and after that red LED is just blinking. Like that it is also showing get out of here. Now again I am putting just unique ID of this here and here it is showing get out of here. Now I am putting this authorized card. See the output unique ID is here. After that it is showing LCD display. After that melody song is coming and green LED is that. After that our door will unlock. just see a door will unlock. After that just it will close. Now our door is closed. Like that is very simple thing. You can make more and more applications by using this like attendance system and everything. I hope all of you understood this simple project. If you have any doubts regarding how to read the unique ID of your RFID tag, please mention in the comment section. I will make another video for you. Please subscribe our channel E for Engineer for latest updates on practical engineering.